So I'm going to begin by hydrating and priming my skin by using my favorite MAC Prep and Prime. For brows, I'm using the Brow Makeover Kit by Rima in the shade Dark. I'm using the gel brow that comes in the kit to brush my brows upwards. And from the kit, I'm gonna use this cute little tiny brush and use the lightest shade and start filling in any empty spaces on my brow. And to highlight my brow bone, I decided to use this Sorbet highlighter pencil and warm it up in the back of my hands. That's how I use this product instead of using the one that came in the kit because it was a little bit too dark for me. By doing this step, your brows will look nice and clean. So I went and finished my other brow off camera. Now I'm going to prime my eyelid by using my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the color Light Sand to give me a nice clean canvas. For shadows, I'm using this beautiful palette by Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales in Little Red Riding Hood. I'm going to start by using the color Journey and apply it as my transitional color. Doing this by applying it with a small fluffy brush and small circular motions. Now from the palette, I'm choosing the color Basket, which is a nice dark brown, and I'm packing this color on the outer crease and bringing whatever is left to the inner corner. Back with my fluffy brush, I am making sure I get rid of any harsh lines. I'm also going to pack this dark brown color on the outer corner as a V shape, as you can see, to give more definition to the eye. Now, if you have hooded eyes like I do, I recommend to put that dark color slightly above your natural crease and blend it to give an illusion of bigger, brighter eye. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light to cut my crease. Now back to my palette, I'm using the color Red in tapping motions. I'm applying this color with a small brush, and now I'm picking the color Pearl from the same palette and using my fingertips to apply this color on the outer corner to blend the red with the brown. And now I'm using a highlighter to brighten the brow bone. Now I'm going to use these wipes with this cute little Goody Tama guide to clean any eyeshadow fallout and to give shade to my eye look. Now I'm going to create a line using this Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in the color Trooper Black. I'm using a free-handed motion to do this. Then I'm going to use another trick for you guys to see. Now I'm going to show you the card trick to get the perfect no mess wing. As you can see, I have the shape that I want. All I need to do is fill it up, bring it to the center of the eye, and with tiny tapping little motions, get as close as you can to the lash line, and voila, you are done. Now it's time for Holiday Sparkle. To do this, I'm going to use J Cat's Beauty All About the Base Primer, but first I'm applying some shadow guards, because glitter can get very messy. And for glitter, I'm using J Cat Rocking the Night Sparkling Powder in King's Road. Now, to have the perfect glitter application without making a mess, you want to use a very fine eyeliner brush and apply the glitter base in small sections, as you can see right here, and add the glitter in tapping motions. Now that I'm done, I'm removing my guards, and as you can see, no mess whatsoever. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my eyeliner pencil one more time and just retouch where needed. Now I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara before applying my false lashes. I'm back with my lashes. I did them off camera, so it's time for foundation. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade 260. I like to apply this with a brush because it gives me full coverage without using too much product, and you can see the difference right away. Now it's time to highlight and conceal. For this, I'm using the same Maybelline, and I am applying this on places that I need to highlight, especially in the center of the forehead, the nose, the chin, and of course, under my eyes. Now I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder under my eyes to set them, to make sure they don't crease during the day and make those ugly lines that we see sometimes from the concealer. In a bigger brush, I am adding a small amounts over my face to prevent any shine and to lock my foundation in place. Now I'm using my favorite, the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, to bring some color back to the face. I'm using a slanted brush, and I'm applying this on the hollows of my cheeks and my temples, on my forehead, to bring a little bit of a light contour. I'm also using this very small fluffy brush to contour around my nose, and I like to apply this as well under my lips to give the illusion of bigger lips before you apply your lipstick. Now back to my beautiful palette. I'm using the same color basket and apply it under my eyes to bring a light smoky eye. Now I am using a black kohl pencil inside of my waterline. And of course, a few coats of mascara. For my cheeks, I'm using this CIATE Marble Light Illuminating Blusher in the color Dusk. And I'm applying this only on the apples of my cheeks with a nice fluffy brush. To highlight, I'm using the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal, and I'm using a fan brush to give me the right amount of application to my face. Now I'm going to use the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the color Plum to outline my lips. For a touch of holiday color, I'm going to apply the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Beso Shimmer. Now for my hair, I decided to keep it classy and just pull it back as you can see and add a couple of final touches. For this, I'm going to add a couple of chandeliers, a gift from my mother that she gave me years ago. I treasure these beautiful chandeliers and wear them every single year. So as I'm adding my final touches, I hope you guys like watching my video and my beautiful background with my elfie friends. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Happy holidays and see you next time.